Ready or not, here I come. Oh, hi, I'm Zella. I'm looking for my best friend, Zoomie. Will you help me find her? You will? Fantastic. Hide and seek. So Zoomie is small and furry, and she rolls around in a pink ball. Where could she be? I don't see her. Maybe she's hiding inside Mailbox. Hi, Mailbox. I'm looking for Zoomie. A banana? This isn't Zoomie. A sock? What's a sock doing in there? You're not Zoomie. Thanks anyway, Mailbox. Wow, that Zoomie is a good hider. If we're going to find her, we'll need to keep our eyes open. Let's go look inside. Come on.
Good luck, Zella.
She's not in my reading tent. Hi, Roger. Have you seen Zoomie? I think that's a no. Let's ask Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Zoomie and I are playing hide and seek. Have you seen her? What's that? Look in the closet? Okay. Zoomie, are you in there? That was a surprise, but we're not going to give up. We'll find Zoomie even if we have to look everywhere.
Hide and seek, come and play. Who will find a friend today? Look up high, look down low. Where, oh, where did my friend go? Tiptoe softly, peek around. Listen for a silly sound. Can you help me take a peek? Let's play hide and seek. Hide and seek, 1, 2, 3. Will my friendly pal find me? Hide and seek, giggle and grin. Ready or not, here I come in. Behind a chair, behind a tree. Could my friend be waving at me? Look this way and look that way. We'll keep searching while we play. Hide and seek, 1, 2, 3. Will my friendly pal find me? Hide and seek, clap your hands. Searching all across the land. We found a friend. Hooray! Hooray! What a happy hide and seek day. Giggles, hugs, and happy feet. Playing together is such a treat.
That Zoomie is the best hider ever.
Look, Zoomie!
You see her? Where? I don't see her. I see where she is. Oh, you're not Zoomie. That's just my pink ball. Ha-ha, wee! Oopsie. We've looked everywhere. What if we never find her? Wait. Wait. I hear something. Could it be? It is! Zoomie, we found you! You're great at playing hide and seek. And so are you!
Zella, time for lunch.
Coming, Nana. We'll play hide and seek again soon. Bye for now.